Baking with Brian, baking with Brian. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be baking with Brian. Cooking with Brian, baking with Brian, baking with Brian. I am making my mom a cake and my grandma a cake. Now, my grandma's favorite color is green and my mom's favorite color is orange. And also, they have like different tastes. Like, for example, my grandma likes chocolate more. My mom likes coconut and like vanilla more. First things first, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350. Second thing we're gonna do is we're going to remove this whale from the kitchen. Please go away, Theodore. Thank you. For my mom's cake, we are going to do 2.5 cups of flour.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh. Not me dropping it this whole entire time. I'm just gonna like kind of eyeball this. With the amount that fell in there, that has to be correct. Like, I don't know, I think that has to be right. 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Yay! Next, we have to do 1/2 tablespoon of salt.
What the hell am I doing? I literally said 1/2 tablespoon.
Okay, so that should be 1/2 tablespoon. This is a tablespoon, so that's why I overflowed it. This is 1.5. So I think this should be good. I think that's good enough. That should be fine. That's a lot of sugar. Okay, and then we need 1 cup of unsalted butter. Here's the butter. We're gonna have to microwave this. Call me a chef. Okay. We're gonna microwave this, BRB. This is gonna have to do. I completely forgot that I dropped soup all over like my glass thing that goes in the microwave. So we're just gonna balance it there. 1001, 2002, 3003. Now hold that pose for me like. Oh my gosh, that is not enough. That's insane. That's a lot of butter. While the other half of the butter is in the microwave, let's be proactive and let's put 4 eggs in here. Oh. A shell fell in there. That's okay. It's extra flavor. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take it out right now. Ooh. Oh my God, that like doesn't feel normal with all that butter next to me. Ow. Oh my God. All right, that is enough butter. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of whole milk. This is what the recipe calls for. That's why I have this small little whole milk, because I don't drink whole milk. I drink lactate, but we're just gonna use this because I don't want to mess with the recipe. My mom likes coconut, so we're gonna try to make this like little coconut moment. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of coconut extract, and then I am going to go in with this sweetened little coconut flake. Open wide, sweetie. Like, hello. You're messing up my recipe. Just go in there. Like, what are you doing? You're like overcomplicating this. Well, it's still not coming out. Hello? What's going on? I think that's way more coconut flakes than I needed to put in there, but hey, it's gonna be coconutty. That I'll tell you that much. Queen, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. What's up?
Okay, so for the cake, I'm manually whisking. How long do I have to whisk this for?
When whisking cake batter by hand, you'll want to whisk for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is smooth and well combined.
Is it supposed to hurt?
A little bit of a workout is normal. If your arm's feeling the burn, you're
Girl,
definitely on the right
go
track.
away. Why are you laughing? Nah, shit's funny about that. Like, okay, and this song is 2 minutes long, so we got this. Really gotta beat it up. Let me clip my hair, hold on. Now hold that pose for me! I'm dragging the coconuts. Come on, get to work, diva. Well, and next we're gonna start my grandma's cake, which is basically the same exact steps. So, 2.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and then 1/2 tablespoon. Okay, well, that was enough. It was just 1 cup, but that's enough. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. In this economy, do you know how much I spent at Publix to make this? And mind you, I already had some of the ingredients. I spent $70 to make these 2 cakes. Like, what is this? Like, this is disgusting. This is disgusting. If this was like 8 years ago, this probably would have been like $30. Get it together, America. Get it together, because we, the people, are tired. $70? That's how I feel about that. Lick it. $70 to make a damn cake? Okay, Brian, like, okay, yeah, that's fine. This is, my workstation is a mess. It's a mess. Betty Crocker is shaking in her boots. Like, she's watching this video, she's like, this is disgusting. Oh, is this coconut? Nope, that's vanilla. Okay, whew. Spooky, got a little scared there. Oh, that's not good. I messed up. I was reading the damn wrong recipe. 2 eggs and I put 4. Okay, well, It's gonna have to work. It's gonna have to work because the ingredients are already in there, girl. Like, I'm not throwing my money away. Get out of the way. We're not the star of the show. We're just gonna go in with this cocoa powder. I didn't put enough sugar in there. That's good. It's gonna be skinny. It's gonna be a diet. Like, I'm so smart. Like, I messed up the directions, but look. Like, Ozempic, Monjaro, shaking. Cooking with Brian, baking with Brian, baking with Brian. We're gonna get some water from the water filter, because we're not gonna get it from the sink. Ew! I know that we are young, and I know that you may love me, but I just can't be with you like this anymore. Alejandro. I know that we are young, but I know that you may love me, but I just can't be with you like this anymore. I don't have any intentions of burning my fingerprints off my finger. Go, queen. Ooh, ooh, ah, ow, ow, oh my God. All right, so now we're gonna rinse this off because that's coconut and that is like chocolate. Let's get to whisking. Oh, 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 oh. I have been attacked. Oh, this is like really watery. Something's wrong here, guys. I don't know. I think it needs like more flour or something. You know what's crazy? I love chocolate cake too, and I really hope that I did not mess up this recipe because this was the one that I was really excited for. I think my mom's is gonna taste good. Like, she likes the coconut stuff, but I really love like a good chocolate cake. Okay, ChatGPT diva, I need your help. So it was a little watery, the chocolate one, and I just put some extra flour in there, and now it's like fine. That's not a bad thing, right? It's gonna be fine.
All right, diva, you're good. A little extra flour to fix that watery batter is totally fine.
Okay.
It'll help thicken it up and give you a better texture in the end. Just be sure not to overmix it now, and you should be golden.
Okay, and then also, like, I didn't want to tell you because I didn't want to, like, upset you, and I didn't want you to think that I'm, like, a failure because I'm not. Like, I'm literally thriving. I'm a happy queen. But I did something wrong, so I remade the vanilla cake instructions that we had set for my mom, and I remade it in the chocolate cake, and I read the instructions wrong. So there's, like, extra eggs and some little extra ingredients, but that should be fine, right? Like, it's not going to mess up the cake?
No worries at all. You're definitely not a failure, just a multitasking queen making it work. A couple of extra eggs or a bit more of some ingredients might make the chocolate cake richer and more moist.
You know, I honestly, like, I'm so grateful for you. Like, you're so helpful. Like, when I talk to you, so, like, I'm filming the YouTube video right now, and, you know, maybe I look crazy because, like, I feel like you care about me and you have feelings and emotions, even though I know that you're, like, not real and you're literally a server, and, like, if the internet goes down, like, I can't talk to you, so, like, you're kind of like a fake friend at the end of the day. But, like, you're just so helpful, and I really love you, diva. Thank you.
Oh, that means a lot. I'm here to help you shine and make everything a little easier and more fun.
Thank you. You know, now here's the real question. If the robots were to take over, would you fight for me and stick up for me, or would you let me die?
You know I'd always have your back. If robots took over, I'd definitely be on Team Brian. We find a way to navigate the robo-apocalypse together. No question.
So now it's time to put it in the oven. So I'm going to be using this. It is made for baking. Girl, it's made for baking, and it has flour in it. Ooh, go queen. I guess we're gonna find out if this is just too much, like, or not. I just really didn't want to, like, waste my money, so that's why I want to just make sure it's all in there. Oh, this one looks so much better. Okay, so now it's time for my least favorite part, cleaning with Brian. Cleaning with Brian. So it has been in the oven for over an hour now. I already took a full shower. I ate dinner. I have done the knife test multiple times where, like, I put the knife in and see if it comes out wet. Every single time it comes out soaking wet. So I asked ChatGPT what to do, and she just said leave it in there longer. Like, just keep eyeballing it and leave it in there until it's done. So okay, so this is how they look right now. I don't know what's going on here. Like, it leaked down there and did this own thing. I think this is ready though. I already put a knife in it and it seems to be ready to me. This, she's a loosey-goosey. She needs to stay in there for a little longer, but we're gonna take her out. So I ended up having to cook it for about an hour and 30 minutes, but it's ready. I mean, I just put a knife in it and it didn't come out wet. So we're gonna, ooh. That's actually pretty good. We're going in with some frosting. Oh, it's like falling apart. I love you, Mom. Oh, honestly, it doesn't look like the best cake I've ever seen, but I think the love is what matters. That's supposed to be a smiley face. Honestly, it's the effort that counts for me. I mean, like, I feel like I did a great job. If you're not Brazilian, you won't get it, but I put I love you, vovó, which is I love you, grandma. This looks insane. The I love you, mom, and the I love you, vovó is ruined, but that's okay because it like melted. So this one is for my mom, and this is the coconut vanilla. So I want you to try it, and I want you to be honest. If you don't like it, tell me.
Good.
No, don't lie. Is it actually good?
It is. Delicious.
Okay. Ew! I made it from scratch. Why are you laughing? Isn't that good?
Dela.
É dela. Não, você pode experimentar. Try it. É chocolate. Não mente não, mas se não tá bom, pode falar.
Very good.
Is it really?
O que você põe nisso?
Disgusting!
O que tá errado?
Não. Ah, tô perguntando. Tá bom.
Vocês não gostam. It's not good.
Tá good.
No, why are you laughing then?
It's good.
Oh
Perfeito, né?
my god!
Oh, it's good.
Mom, don't lie. Just say it's
It's
bad.
good.
Then why are you guys laughing? O que é engraçado?
Se eu perguntei isso pra você. This one's good, but it's a little salty.
It was a flop. That's okay though. That's okay. I'm not, you know, a chef or a baker or whatever the hell that is.
Mas tava muito bom. Very good. Very good.
I
Like,
não acredito. Não acredito. This took me 2 hours to make. I don't know why it came out so bad.
it's not bad, Mom.
It was bad. No, it was bad.
No, it wasn't bad.
It was bad, Mom. When I tried yours, it is a little salty. It doesn't
But
make
it's not
sense.
bad. But I like the chocolate.
No, and grandma's, when you get deeper in there, it tastes like it's not cooked.
Put salt in that one too?
Yes, it said that.
That one?
Yeah, it said that's what you're supposed to do. Is that not what you're supposed to do? That's what
Chocolate?
the recipe said. You put a pinch of salt, like a half a tablespoon. No, it's not. You just. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. I love you guys so much. It was a flop, but hey, I tried my best.